Okay, so in Ethereum Classic, in the short term, I am actually looking for a bounce back to come in very soon. But before we check out what is happening in here and why do I believe we are going to have a move up soon, let's check out the long-term structures. If you are okay with having a triangle structure into wave 2 right in here, I guess you can argue maybe we are having a series of 1-2s, and this can be starting from this point, 5 wave up into a wave 1, correction structure into wave 2, and after our correction is over, or maybe it's over already, we're gonna have a big move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5, which on a higher degree, this is going to be into a larger degree wave 3 correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5, and you can at least count on this specific move up into wave 3 to happen in the cycle. Ideally, I believe we are going to have this wave 3 correction for 4, another move up into wave 5 completely in the cycle. So the overall structures look quite optimistic. And even if you want to say that a triangle into wave 2 is not allowed, it's a no-no in Elliott wave, okay, fair enough. You can actually say this is a very classic A, B, C in form of a zigzag structure, and we are having a correction structure down, and maybe soon we are going to have another big move up in form of an ABC, and on a higher degree, odds are that we are completing the subwaves for, you probably know it, a WXY in form of a double zigzag. So one way or the other, in the mid to long term, it seems like that Ethereum Classic is actually bullish. But what about the short term structures? And can we argue this move down in the short term is going to soon be over? Well, let's go on daily time frame. You see, I think in order for us to be able to say when this is going to be over, we need to get help from classic technical analysis, meaning supports and resistances. And sure, in here, we do actually have a level of support, but I believe this may not be that strong. In an ideal scenario, I want to see Ethereum Classic going down just a bit more in order to reach to about this unbelievably important support area, which is from weekly and daily time frame at the same time. And then, in my opinion, from this area, we can actually get a very strong bounce back. And as long as we are going to stay above here, I think we can definitely stick with this possibility as our primary case. Now, if we get a break of this region, meaning we go under it on weekly time frame, do a candle close and then pull back, and followed by that a continuation of the move down in order to take this low, at that point, unfortunately, you are going to see me Ethereum Classic is going to probably have another 30 to even 40% move down in order to reach to about the next important region, which is all the way down here between $6.5 to about $7.9. But as long as we're not doing that, I think we can actually bet on a move up coming soon in Ethereum Classic. Is just the fact that maybe in the next couple of days, we are going to see another very small move on the downside. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ETC. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.